Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete individual messages and DMs. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So now let's proceed with our tutorial. So first, we want to go to Instagram and then go to any message. So here we are on the archive and I'm going to go to the home page, and from here we will want to go to our feed or our messages. So here I'm just going to click on this one, and basically here you will find all these conversation. Let's just go to anyone, and from here, and after accessing to any conversation, from here you will be able to start deleting your individual's message in the DMs. So here you will need to only hold tab the message and make sure they are recent messages so you can be able to start deleting them. So from here, you will find this delete for you, and there are some options that would allow you to delete the messages for other people or like for the person that will be receiving them. And here I'm just going to click on delete for you, and now it has been deleted. And you can do that for any message. And if you want to delete the whole conversation, you will be able to simply hold click on the conversation, and from here you will find delete. And by clicking on delete, you will find the conversation that has been deleted successfully, and you will be able to start deleting anything or any content from it. So either images, videos that you are sending, and also text messages. And simply that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.